exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They asked me-
Pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano.
We're already invoking
namin.
executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege in this
Yes,
matter.
that's fine, but it's in
Yes.
the interview, and it's
Yes, ma'am.
public.
It goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'd like to understand. I think your brother's trying to
I did not
explain
state in any
what
way.
he said in the interview, and I'm
They
happy to
asked me
hear
if
it.
I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan ang galing yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege, ma'am. Let me
Pero
explain, ma'am. Let me
nandun
explain
sa
first, ma'am.
interview po eh.
Yes,
Ang
ma'am.
liwanag
Let
eh.
me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival
Parang
based on...
hindi yung gano'n ang dating sa amin eh. Ang pagkaintindi
that
namin,
is the whole
apat na
truth, ma'am.
plano.
That is what we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Matugtog na lang natin para maintindihan ha.
What was and who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang I stand by that, ma'am. Last man standing doon sa Malacanang. I stand by that. Kasi Secretary Chidoro was working out of his office.
Eh, napakaliwanag po ng sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo. Wala
Secretary
namang
Anyo,
mapakiyaw-kiyaw dun sa
Yes, ma'am.
sinabi.
Yes, ma'am.
Patayin na muna natin. Napakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung nagsalita
Yes,
sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Eh sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege, but ma'am,
Walang executive privilege kasi binunyag na
I
ninyo sa
must
TV.
state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. That we were discussing mainly about what the president's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi
There
isang
was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
There was, I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kami-
isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that was all.
Rumor lang yun?
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya kung ikaw ang nagplano, tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Anong in-effort ng group
Ma'am,
kapag hindi
let
plano?
me
I think that including into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we
No, I'm
suspect
just
our...
asking him to explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But it's already a very thin dividing line between what transpires in a room between
I will